€50,000 fine for workplace camera in dining room. What every DPO must know. Imagine your employer secretly watching you in the break room. That's exactly what a Spanish worker alleged. In a landmark case, Spain's Data Protection Agency fined €50,000 after ruling a surveillance camera in a company's dining room violated GDPR protections. The claimant alleged Grupo Transaher installed a video camera in employee rest dining areas without proper signage, capturing full views even though the table zone was masked. The company responded it needed security for its logistics site, had informed workers, and restricted access to images. But Spain's DPA found the capture too intrusive. It held the processing lacked a valid legal basis under Article 6 GDPR and breached the specific prohibition in Spain's data protection law, LOPDGDD, Article 89.2, banning cameras in rest or recreation areas. The agency deemed the measure disproportionate, and that lesser means should have been used. Lessons for new DPOs. Cameras in break, dining or rest areas are red flags. Always check local law, e.g., Spain's prohibition of surveillance in dining rooms. Conduct a proportionality test, limit field of view, ensure signage and consent procedures are rock solid, and delete footage promptly. Before you install any surveillance, imagine defending it before your regulator. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and press bell. I share GDPR case stories every week to help new DPOs defend their organizations. Next week, remote work monitoring and camera oversight. Thanks for tuning in. Protect privacy, protect trust.